always get asked the question, how can you start making money online? How can you start any kind of business online so that you're able to drive sales and you're able to make money doing so? Well, in today's video, we're going to discuss how you can make money online, whether you have knowledge, whether you have a product, whether you have a service, no matter where you are in the world. In today's video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to get started. Welcome back to my channel. I am Tiara Pace. If today is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. On this channel, I teach you guys how to make money, save money, and invest your money so that you can begin building generational wealth. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys step by step of how to make money online. No matter where you are in this world, you can begin making money online. It doesn't matter if you have a physical product or if you have a service or if you just don't know where to get started at all. Today, by the time you finish this video, you're going to know where to go, how to get started, and how you can start making extra income now. Make sure you guys stay to the end of this video because I'm going to teach you at the end exactly how you can start with a physical product, where to go to get a product, and how to get vendors. Step 1. You want to make sure that you know whether you're going to offer a product or service. The difference between a physical product and a service is a physical product based business is going to be a business that has physical products to send out and ship to their customers. When you start a physical product business, this is going to be something as in starting a t-shirt business, a clothing business, a jewelry business, anything that you're selling online where you have to ship it to your customers. This will be called a physical product, something that you can touch and something you have to ship out. A service-based business is going to be you offering your service of some kind to your clients and customers. When you begin starting a service business, this is going to be someone who does hair, cuts hair, offers coaching calls, teach people about the knowledge that you have in a particular industry. Whatever you're giving to your clients and your customers where you're having to provide a service, this is going to be a service-based business. Step 2, once you decide whether you're going to start with a physical product or if you're going to start with a service-based business, you want to make sure that you have a website. A website is not an option. You have to have some type of presentation where your clients can know that you are safe to book or to get a product from. You want to make sure that you have your website set up and that no matter where you are in the world, no matter what time of the day it is, your clients or customers know how they can get your product or service without having to wait on you to get back to them. When you start your business, you always want to make sure that you have your website and your systems in place so that you do not miss a sale. When you get a website, keep in mind you do not have to have a professional website or you do not have to spend money in order for you to get a website made. You can start by setting up your own website and just making sure that the presentation looks good and that your customers or clients are not confused. If you're going to sell a physical product, the company I recommend that you use is called Shopify. Shopify is one of the biggest e-commerce platforms for any company. A majority of big companies and big brands use Shopify because it has so many good features and benefits to business owners. They are beginner friendly and you can go onto Shopify and set up your own website without having to have coding experience or without having to hire someone to get you started. If you're someone who's going to start the service-based business instead of actually having a physical product, I recommend you guys to check out Accuity Scheduling. Step 3, you want to make sure that you have a social media presentation. This is going to be one of the main focuses that you need to put your energy towards when starting your business. In order for you to drive more sales, in order for you to get traffic, in order for people to know who you are, you have to have a social media presentation. There are different platforms that you can use, but the top 3 platforms that I recommend you starting your presentation on is going to be TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. You're on YouTube right now, so why haven't you started your free account to get in front of your clients? Someone somewhere is waiting on you to tell them about your great idea and to explain to them what it's used for and why they need it. So go ahead, get started today. It's free. I know you guys are waiting for me to tell you where you can find your vendors from and how you can go ahead and get started if you're trying to start a product-based business. But first, before I drop those gems, let me give you guys just a few tips. The first tip is you do not need a lot of products to begin selling. Like, you don't need to have 5 and 10 different products in order to make sales. You want to start with driving traffic to that one product first, and once you begin to build your client or your customer base onto that one product, then you can slowly begin to add more products or services. Tip 2 is to make sure that you're educating your customers or clients on the information that you know about your product or service. You want to make sure that you're giving them all the valuable information that they need about it, because you can teach them what this service or what this product would do to help them. The third tip is to promote. No matter if you're just getting started, if you already have experience within an online business, you want to make sure that you're promoting your business so that people know who you are and that people become familiar with your brand. Always keep in mind that you are not where other people are, and you do not have to look or try to be what someone else is. Just because you see people on the internet doing one thing, that does not mean that's going to work for your business. Always stay true to yourself and always give your business your best ideas, and be inspired by others, but never try to clone someone else's business who's in the same industry as you. You want to always have your own twists and turns on your business. If you make your business a copycat of someone else's business, that's going to just make people feel like they should just go to the next person and buy, because what makes your business more relatable to them than it would within the other companies. Just remember that you don't have to take the elevator to success. You can actually take the stairs, and you can keep climbing and keep going in order for you to get your business where you want your business to go. Just because your business isn't growing in the beginning does not mean that your business won't grow. Just keep promoting, keep going, and know that you will reach your goals as long as you're putting in the effort and the work to get there. You guys have all been waiting for. I'm going to give you 2 companies that you can use in order for you to begin finding vendors if you decide to sell an actual physical product. The first company is called Alibaba. I'll link it in the description as well so that you're able to go on there and check it out. The second company is called AliExpress. I know a couple of you guys may be familiar with them, and the difference between AliExpress and Alibaba is with Alibaba, it allows you to reach vendors in different countries. With AliExpress, it's only based in China, so all of the products from there would come from China. Now, when you're finding these vendors, you want to keep in mind when you get started with these 2 companies that you will have to do your research to find what vendor may work for you. Don't spend a lot of money. Sometimes you can negotiate with the vendors in order to get free products so that you're able to test out before making purchases. But you want to at least choose 2 to 3 companies to just do a sample run on before making big purchases. Never feel like you need to make a big purchase on the first step when you find someone. You want to make sure you do all of your research before spending tons or thousands of dollars with these different companies. If you guys would like to know more about Alibaba and AliExpress, just let me know in the comments, and I'll make separate videos showing you guys how I found verified vendors and how you can too. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure you give me a like, because I know I dropped a lot of gems today. If you're looking to get a vendor today and you want to go ahead and get started, check out my website, tiarapace.com, because I have verified vendors that I have used for my different businesses, and you can too. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you go ahead and do so. Turn your bell on, because we're about to get into how you can make so much money, how you can invest, and how you can save your money. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.